Activity 6. The phrase brighter than bright has been used in the poem to mean extremely bright. It is used for the sun. So brighter than bright means bright से भी ज़्यादा क्या है bright. ओके ऐसा बोल रहे हैं. तो extremely bright मीनिंग क्या होता है? extremely bright क्या है? तो sun है. Here some phrases are given. You can write something or someone you know. Okay, so you can associate them here. So here whiter than white. So सबसे white क्या है? Then you can write snow. Colder than cold क्या है? Ice. Darker than dark. So सबसे dark क्या है? Night. Kinder than kind. Okay, mother. Okay, सबसे ज़्यादा kind कौन है? तो mother. Softer than soft, silk. Swifter than swift, tiger. And nobler than noble, mother and father. So सबसे ज़्यादा noble कौन है? Mother and father. Activity 7. Here are some interesting facts about the sun. The sun is a star found at the center of the solar system. The sun solar system का center है. That we have already learned. It makes up around 99.86% of the solar system's mass. At around 1,392,000 kilometers wide, the sun's diameter is about 110 times wider than the Earth's. Light from the sun reaches the earth in around 8 minutes. A solar eclipse occurs when the moon is between the sun and the earth. So solar eclipse, okay, हम लोग बोलते हैं सूर्य ग्रहण चंद्र ग्रहण. So solar eclipse कब होता है? The moon is between sun and the earth. sun और अर्थ के बीच में जब मून आता है सोलर एक्लिप्स होता है. Now you find out some facts about the moon. You can use the internet and library for getting this information and share it with your classmates. So आपको मून के बारे में you can find out some facts. Here I have written facts about the moon. Okay, so you can write this in your textbook. The moon is the Earth's only natural satellite. Natural satellite क्या है? Is a space body that orbits a planet. The moon orbits the earth every 27.3 days. The average distance from the moon to the earth is 3,84,403 kilometers. The moon is very hot during the day but very cold at night. तो moon डे में कैसा है? हॉट ड्यूरिंग द डे और रात को मून कोल्ड है. द अर्थ्स टाइड्स आर कॉज्ड बाय द ग्रेविटेशनल पुल ऑफ द मून. अर्थ टाइड्स, ओके, समुंदर में भरती होती है. हम बोलते हैं भरती एंड ओट इन गुजराती. सो जब भरती होती है उसका कारण क्या है? तो बोलते हैं मून का ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स होता है, उसकी वजह से टाइड होती है. A lunar eclipse occurs when the earth is between the sun and the moon. Okay, so solar eclipse occurs when the moon is between sun and earth, and a lunar eclipse occurs when the earth is between sun and moon. So sun और moon के बीच में क्या है? earth. Okay, so you can write down this thing in your notebook.